We're going to meet my mom right now because I'm filming a video for her, and today we're doing the audio part. We already got the video done. We just got to do the audio, and then we got to tie it together. And it's 2:06, guys. This is the start of the vlog. A little bit late, but no worries. Big deal. Also, it's like my third bottle of these big ones today, so hydrate up, fellas and ladies. It's good for your body. Your body's like 70 or 90%. I think it's 90% water. What's that thing?
What this?
On your phone?
It's a metronome.
A what?
A metronome.
What's a metronome?
It's the things that go.
Oh.
They keep track of time.
Okay. We're at the office. I'm editing the vlog and a video for Mom. Bailey's looking for the music for my vlog, so if you don't like it, it's her fault. What's it called? Balloons? My brother's probably the best impersonator of anybody. Shoot.
Who am I impersonating?
Anybody, shoot.
Arnold Schwarzenegger.
You'd make a good housekeeper. Would you want to work for me?
Okay, we're starting the vlog over from this point because I deleted 4 clips I recorded earlier.
Failed.
Wait, what'd you say?
Nothing. I love you.
Right.
But
She said she just wanted to punch me, and I read this thing today on Facebook that says if you don't want to beat up your lover at least twice a day, then they're boring. So I guess that means
good.
neither of us are
So
boring.
yes, I want to punch you.
They haven't seen Mom on vlog for a while. What have you been up to?
Is this thing on?
Yeah, that's funny.
Lawrence told me the other day, I saw you making fun of me.
The air out.
The air's coming.
It's too hot, so you're waving the air. Okay.
Whoa. Selfie stick.
Wahoo! We're going to Wahoo's. Wahoo, like fish tacos. Bam, look at all these stickers. We got Steph Curry's number. Coincidence? I think not.
Well, you on Michael Jordan's. Just kidding.
Yeah. That was not Michael Jordan. It was close. He was 45 at one point.
Thanks.
Bailey and her guac. Thanks. How's dinner, bud?
Thanks. It was great. How's your dinner, bud?
How's your dinner, bud? Me and Bailey don't really know what to do tonight, so we are coming back to the studio to hang out for a while until we figure out an idea, really. Lawrence and some other dudes are gonna meet us here. I'm always fascinated by, they gotta stick these buses, they gotta like turn into here, and they always try to hit this wall. So crazy. Hurts more my shins, because my shins are support my body.
Yeah.
Where do you keep her? Like here or at home?
Yeah, she
I know, I'm holding a bird right now.
She's not mine, really. She's just. She found me.
What up, y'all? I'm tired. So check this out, though. Somebody crashed on 112th here where I live, and they must have hit a pole. Hopefully the person's okay. They must have hit the pole because no electricity on the whole block, like not even in the houses. So I don't know how I'm gonna charge my phone tonight or like anything, but has this show been boring lately since I've been back? I keep running into obstacles where I cannot find out what me and Bailey want to do. It's just like we're boring, I think. So we kind of need your guys' help. You guys should comment below what you think we should do. Anything like cinematic kind of stuff, pranks, social experiments, adventure type stuff, games, challenges. Like, what would you like to see us do? And I think that'll make it a lot more entertaining for us until me and Bailey get, I guess, our heads back on straight, because I don't know what's the deal lately, but we just haven't been able to think of anything to do, and it's been so nice, and I'm kind of frustrated that we're not using the day the way we should. But it's late now, so I gotta go ahead and get some sleep. So I hope you guys have an amazing night as well. I hope you guys had an amazing day. You're all some beautiful people. Don't let anybody tell you different. And just remember 3 things. Work harder. Be brave. Don't ever stop smiling. And we'll see you tomorrow. Peace.